Good morning, Santa Clarita. It's Monday, April 14th. I'm Connor with Honor, your first responder realtor, bringing you the local real estate update straight from the front lines of Santa Clarita Valley housing market. Let's dive into what's been happening over the past 7 days, the movement, the momentum, and what you need to know before you buy, sell, or sit on the sidelines. Now, this is a 7-day market snapshot for Santa Clarita Valley cities. Here's what's gone down in the SCV MLS in the last 7 days. 12 properties coming soon. These are your golden ticket properties, not visible on most public sites, but they're real, they're coming, and they're exclusive to those who know where to look. New listings 81, fresh inventory has poured onto the market. That's 81 new chances for buyers to land the right home in neighborhoods across Valencia, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and beyond. 93 properties have had their prices changed. Almost 100 sellers have adjusted their prices. That means opportunity, whether you're buying or investing. This is your moment to negotiate smart. Back on market properties 25. There are homes that fell out of escrow and are available once again, some due to financing issues, some due to timing, and all of them ready for another shot. 34 properties have gone active under contract. 51 have gone pending. That's 85 homes that are actually in escrow. Translation: buyers are still writing offers and homes are definitely still moving. 54 properties closed this last week. These homes made it to the finish line. Congratulations to the new homeowners and sellers who cashed out. Expired properties 10, canceled 15, held 6, withdrawn 6. A total of 37 listings came off the market for various reasons. Another reminder, the right pricing and marketing matters more than ever. Now let's talk about the most powerful tool in the market right now, early access. I've got 12 listings that are not on Redfin, Zillow, or Realtor.com. They're hidden from the general public and available only to real estate agents' clients and my clients via email. Here's a sneak peek at just a few of them. Coming soon is a Valencia farmhouse, a modern farmhouse stunner with nearly 3,000 square feet, beautifully upgraded interiors, and a sun-drenched backyard oasis, all priced at $1,245,682. Then we have a Canyon Country Retreat tucked into the hills. This single-story home has panoramic mountain views, a brand new kitchen, and a 3-car garage, coming to the market at $829,900. There's a Saugus Pool Home, complete with solar, entertainer's backyard, 5 bedrooms. This one screams summer-ready and is expected to be priced around $924,000. And Stevenson Ranch Luxury listing, over 3,500 square feet, perched in a private cul-de-sac with chef's kitchen, upstairs loft, and walking distance to award-winning schools, prepped to launch near $1.3 million. A Newhall Charmer, historical vibes, updated mechanics, a massive lot, priced under $699,000, perfect for first-time buyers or ADU investors. You want to see photos, specs, floor plans, and more? Here's the deal. You're not going to find these homes publicly yet, but I've got the keys. Go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com/coming soon. No spaces, no gimmicks, just early access to the best listings before they hit the open market. That's your Monday market breakdown. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just keep a pulse on what's really happening in Santa Clarita real estate, I've got your 6. I'm Connor McIver, Connor with Honor, saving the world one honest real estate sale at a time. I will see you tomorrow with another market briefing from the front lines. Be well, over and out.